Hello again, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Another video, another wagon. This one is entirely different though. A little bit of style on the handle. This handle is removable with like a quick coupler disconnect thing, like an air hose fitting. So this is actually a wagon in a wagon in a wagon. I sectioned two wagons into the little VW Bug, and you can see how much I had to stretch it there. And just like that, we've come to the end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, go down, smash that like button, subscribe for more videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.